Hey guys, I want to thank the brand for sending me this portable travel sound machine to try. There's a little charging hole. It does come with a charger, but not the brick. We're going to go ahead and turn this on. Oh, cute. So I don't think you can hear this because I'm filming this with my microphone, but the first thing it did was it beeped twice and then it said nature sound. It does come with a light, so that's kind of cool. Okay, so you can see here there's like a paint. I'm gonna guess that changes the color of the light. Yep. That's kind of cool for whatever mood you're in. Awesome. Okay, and then that turns the light on and off. Oh, that's kind of cool. I should have kept going with all the different colors. That in and of itself is pretty cool. Let's see what else we got. And that just slowly rotates through the colors. Very cool. Is there a volume? Oh, that's changing the sound. Okay, so press and hold to turn it up. Hopefully you can hear that. And a short press of that same button to change sounds. Like an ocean. Running water. Thunder, I love it. Wind. That just sounds like rain. That's like a white noise, true white noise. Sounds like rain falling on a house. Another type of water. Different type of thunder. Whistling winds. That sounds like a snowstorm. I don't know that I could sleep to that, but maybe some people like that. This is more of like a green noise. This is more high-pitched rain. Different type of thunder. And then I think we're back to the beginning. So lots of different noises and sounds to choose from here. That's really cool. Oh. That's awesome. So yeah, you can have the light on or off. Tons of different sounds to choose from. All right, so I just discovered the mode button. And it went to life sounds, and now you hear a heartbeat. If it was like a faster heartbeat, I think this would be great for like puppies and stuff to like listen to the heartbeat of their mom. That's so cool. Let's see what else we got. Birds, cute. That sounds like fish swimming underwater. Crickets. More rain. Okay. Alpha brainwaves. I can't get over how many different sounds are in this, depending on what you're into. That's pretty cool. So different waves. Nature sounds. Mechanical sounds. Life sounds. Okay. And then it's got a timer on here too, 30, 60, 90 minutes. And it looks like it can pair to your Bluetooth with the BT or Bluetooth button. So if you wanted it to come out of a bigger speaker or whatever. This is really cool. I cannot wait to use this on the road. I'm super excited. Thanks again to the brand for letting me give this a try.